up.
No, it's not a screw up. It's not a screw up. I'm going to leave the room, and you can just go. You can start like 10 times. I'm not even going to be listening.
Hi, my name is Cheryl, and I have been coming to Dr. Berman for a couple of months. When I originally came here, I came with a very severe pain and inflammation in my knee, and he introduced me to the laser system, and I had about 10 treatments from it, and I'm happy to say that my knee is a lot better. I don't use the cane anymore. I'm almost completely walking properly, and in the interim he also introduced me to the equipment here that helps my spine and neck, which I didn't even realize I had caused it from my limping from the knee. But since I've been coming here for the treatments, I feel fabulous. I don't have any hip pain or back pain. My neck feels good. I don't have any aches and pains, and every day I get up, I'm happy, 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 and I am so grateful and so thankful to him and his staff for the wonderful treatment that I got here and for the opportunity to feel good. Thank you very much. You can come in now. Okay.
Cool. You got it, right?
Okay, so if it's
I'll look at it later.
enthusiastic enough, I'll repeat.
You're the best, man.